How to build a full content system with Chatgpt. Let me start with the hard truth most creators don't want to hear. If content feels exhausting, if consistency feels impossible, if you feel like you're always behind, it's not because you're lazy. It's not because you lack discipline. And it's definitely not because you're not creative enough. It's because you don't have a content system. Most people are trying to build a media business by winging it every day. They wake up and ask, what should I post? What should I talk about? What would do well today? That's not a system. That's stress. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a full content system using Chatgpt. One that handles idea generation, planning, scripting, repurposing, and improvement without burning you out. This is the same structure I use to produce episode after episode, stay consistent, and build leverage as a one-person team. Not hacks, not tricks, a real system. Let's begin. The big content shift most people never make. Most creators think content is about inspiration. It's not. Content is about infrastructure. Big creators don't sit around waiting for ideas. They don't rely on motivation. They don't improvise every day. They run systems. And Chatgpt is not here to help you write sometimes. It's here to become part of your content operation, if you treat it that way. The mistake most people make is using Chatgpt in isolation. One prompt here, one idea there, no continuity. A system is different. A system is a repeatable workflow that produces content even when your energy is low. Step 1. Role lock Chatgpt as your content director. Before you ask for ideas, scripts, or plans, you need to define authority. Chatgpt without a role defaults to generic output. So the first prompt I use, always, is this. You are now my content director. Your responsibility is to help me create clear, valuable, and consistent content aligned with my brand voice and audience. You think in systems, not one-off ideas. You do not explain basics unless I ask. This does one critical thing. It tells Chatgpt this is not a brainstorming session. It's a job. From this point on, you're not asking for help. You're managing a department. Step 2. Define your content pillars. Once, not daily. Most creators waste energy because they haven't defined boundaries. They talk about everything, which means nothing compounds. This step fixes that. Here's the prompt. Help me define 3 to 5 content pillars based on my audience, expertise, and goals. Each pillar should be clear, repeatable, and useful long-term. Explain why each pillar matters. This gives you rails. Once pillars are defined, ideas come faster, messaging gets clearer, the audience knows what you're about. Content stops feeling random. Step 3. Build a 30-day content calendar. This is where stress disappears. Instead of asking, what should I post today every morning, you decide once. Here's the prompt. Create a 30-day content plan using my content pillars. Include ideas for long form, short form, and supporting posts. Each idea should include a hook, core takeaway, and intended outcome. This does something powerful. It turns content into execution, not invention. You're no longer creative every day. You're operational. That's how professionals work. Step 4. Turn ideas into record-ready scripts. Outlines feel productive, but they still require thinking. I skip that step. Here's the prompt I use. Turn this content idea into a complete, record-ready script. Include a strong hook, clear structure, examples, and a decisive close. Write it in my voice as if it will be used immediately. This is where Chatgpt saves real time. No staring at blank screens. No, I'll finish it later. Finished work moves the business forward. Step 5. Quality control. The difference between amateur and pro. Most creators publish first drafts. Professionals refine. This prompt makes Chatgpt your editor. Review this script as a senior editor. Identify weak sections, unclear points, or pacing issues. Rewrite it to be clearer, tighter, and more engaging. This single step raises content quality dramatically. And here's the key. You're not asking for opinions. You're asking for improvement. Step 6, repurposing. How one idea becomes many. If you're not repurposing, you're leaving reach on the table. This is the repurposing prompt. Take this long-form content and repurpose it into multiple short-form pieces for different platforms. Maintain the core message while adapting tone and length. This is how. One video becomes 5 to 10 clips. One idea reaches multiple platforms. Output multiplies without more work. This is leverage. Step 7, the content feedback loop. Great creators don't just publish, they learn. Here's the prompt. Analyze this content and suggest improvements for clarity, engagement, or structure. Identify what could perform better next time. This turns content into a feedback system, not guesswork. Over time, your hooks improve, your messaging sharpens, your intuition gets better because you're not guessing anymore. Step 8, build the system. Make it repeatable. Anything you do more than once should become a system. Here's the prompt. Turn my content process into a step-by-step system I can reuse weekly. Include planning, scripting, recording, repurposing, and review. This is where content stops being work and starts being infrastructure. Systems scale. Willpower doesn't. Why this content system works. This system removes decision fatigue, creative burnout, inconsistency, random effort, and replaces them with clarity, rhythm, output, leverage. Chatgpt isn't replacing your creativity, it's protecting it. The real goal, consistency without exhaustion. Most people quit content not because it doesn't work, but because it drains them. A system changes that. When content becomes predictable, it becomes sustainable. When it becomes sustainable, it compounds. That's how channels grow. That's how brands are built. If you want to build something big, a brand, a business, a legacy, you cannot rely on inspiration alone. You need systems. Chatgpt gives you leverage, but only if you stop using it casually and start using it intentionally. Build the system once, reuse it forever. If you enjoyed this episode, like, subscribe, and share it. It helps this channel reach more creators who need this information. And if you want deeper strategies on influence, persuasion, and direct response marketing, check out my book, Direct Marketing. You Have to Reach Millions. Available now on Amazon. This is Trapper's Avatar with Grown Man Productions. You have to reach millions.
It's the rapper!